Welcome everyone. Good morning. Today I should say good afternoon. Today I will show you how to fix this error what I was facing. iTunes cannot read content of the iPhone 5s. I found on website interesting tool called the iPhone Box. This utility really helped me. But we need to get to our iPhone, and this is great utility. To file browser, we will go to raw file system. There are couple files which have to be deleted. iTunes control folder, I think iTunes, and there is iTunes control file. It has to be deleted or renamed. Another file, iTunes CDB, iTunes preferences. Those three files have to be removed, and this error will disappear and will not occur again. I hope that this will fix your error, because I must show you. I will open up my iTunes. Before, iTunes was telling me to restore this phone, but I didn't want to waste my time. It was telling me go to summary view and restore iPhone, but I was researching. It's not necessary. This utility is great. File browser, iPhone Box is free, and this really helps. I thought this is paid version of the program, but it's not. It's free. Thanks God for this, because I was quite angry. I didn't want to waste all day to fix my iPhone, but finally it's working. I hope you will enjoy this program. See you.